Alright guys, and welcome back to another Red Dead Redemption 2 video. So today, I'm in Saint Denis. I'm doing a video in Saint Denis. And this might be my last Red Dead Redemption 2 video. Already, yeah, y'all probably thinking, already? Well, yeah, so, you know why. Because, y'all probably might know why, but, because, GTA 5 has, like, well, it is more fun, but the graphics ain't as good as GTA 5 as it is on here, but y'all guys are probably like, man, we enjoy your Red Dead Redemption 2 video, so why are you going back to GTA 5? Well, it's more fun to me to play than Red Dead, but Red Dead is pretty fun to play too, but, I mean, it's just not as fun as GTA, so that's, if y'all guys are wondering, that's why. So today, this is going to be my last Red Dead Redemption 2 video. So we're finally in Saint Denis now, in Red Dead. As y'all see John Marston, there is John Marston. So today we'll be robbing a gun store in Red Dead. Y'all guys probably think, you're crazy trying to rob a gun store, he's going to pull a gun on you. I hope not. Yeah, but I hope he don't. This is going to be the question. I hope he don't. Just, I got my fingers crossed that he won't try to pull out the gun and kill me, because that's just what's probably what he's gonna do. Gun store people do that sometimes. Alright, well, let's just get started on this robbery.
Hey, I got to see your face if you want to buy a gun in the shop. Hey, that's not going.
You know what, guys? I think I have like a encounter here that I can do where I can rob something else. Let's go see what the guy's up to, guys. I just see that little question mark on the radar, and y'all probably know what that means. That means he's probably got something secret in the back of his room. That's what that means. But I don't know how to get back there, though. Maybe I have to go, like, back here. Okay, guys, I might be wrong. It probably is in the gun store, maybe. 'Cause I didn't know there was one there. Yep, that's your fault, dude. Should've got out of the way. Alright, let's go back in here.
Hey, I got to see your face if you want to buy a gun in the
Shut up, man. I can have my bandana cover my face if I want. Oh, dude, it's this room. Knocked down.
Sorry, pal. This is invitation only.
Okay, so we're gonna have to rob this guy. It means we're gonna make... Yeah, I found a secret hidden operation at... You can now rob the shop side business. Oh, yeah. That's what I'm gonna do in this video.
I want to see what you got behind that door back there. Now!
Yeah.
Nothing. It's the back terrace where people go relax and just get away.
Okay, this guy is suspicious. Alright, let me get a chewing tobacco, so I'm gonna need that dead eye. Y'all, don't pull out binoculars. I need chewing dead eye. That's what I need.
Open up, it's me.
Put the binoculars away! John Marston, you idiot. Put away the binoculars. Okay, there you go.
How it goes. So there you go.
Yeah.
Hey, what the hell's going on? Oh no, please don't shoot.
I won't shoot, man.
Why all the security? What the hell's going on back here?
Look, nothing. I'm just paying to guard the place.
To guard the back alley? Don't lie to me, you son of a bitch.
Yeah.
Do what I'm told. I don't ask too many questions.
Alright, you got 3 seconds before you're a goddamn corpse. 3, 2...
Okay. Take it easy. Little poker game, that's all. 3rd floor, upstairs. Jesus, please, no, please.
Go to the gambling room on the 3rd floor. So is it in here? Wait, I think it might be... Where is the gambling room? Guys. Okay. But What's a gambling room? I have no idea where it's at. I don't even know. Oh, it's right here. Duh. Must be blind. I didn't even see it right there. So this is the 3rd floor, so it should be this floor, right?
3rd damn floor.
So it's in here, isn't it?
Don't you try causing no trouble here. Leave right now.
Who knows?
Don't do anything stupid.
Move one muscle, and your brains will be all over this wall. You understand me?
Okay. I'll stay right here. I promise.
Woo!
And leave,
The money, guys. We got money. We got money.
There you go. It's all yours. Over there. Take it easy. Just stay calm, okay?
Okay.
You fellas have got more than this. Where's the rest?
The rest? No. Everything was out there on the table.
I ain't a patient man. Where's the rest of the money?
I swear, that's all we got.
Alright. Guys, do y'all believe him? Is that all he's got?
I wouldn't hang around, sir. Police respond very quickly around here.
You sure?
Oh, yeah.
I should kill him.
We won't tell a soul you were here. I swear on my life.
Alright, I'll let y'all go.
There's more money in here somewhere. It stinks of it.
It's just a friendly game. We don't play for big stakes.
If I find out you fellas are holding out on me, it's gonna end very badly for you.
Oh, damn it. You keep your mouth shut.
I will shoot you dead right there if you don't tell me where the rest of the money is.
Oh, no, police. Keep it together, you imbecile. You're gonna get us killed, Jim. Just tell him. Shut the hell up. There's plenty more in that safe on the wall, but only he knows the combination. All right, I'll open the damn safe.
Alright, you better open that combination.
Learn when to keep your mouth shut.
Oh, really? That means I'm going to shoot him, right? Alright, you open that. Alright, I'm going to take it. Take all that. Woo! Knew they were having money. Alright, I'm going. Keep your mouth shut. Alright. Y'all two mirrors, keep it shut too. Don't you dare keep the cops on me. Surprised there ain't no cops on me yet. Alright, I'm out of here. Woo. Alright, guys. Taking off my bandana. This is how sick this robbery was. Alright, guys, so this is going to be the end of the video. That was interesting. I never did think that I was going to get into that. I did not know that existed, but subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on post notifications. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.